Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of fake security alerts that come from the site online windows1.xyz. If you see all these pop-ups by online windows1.xyz, keep in mind that these are absolutely fake and truly deceptive alerts. You should not tolerate these fake alerts. These pop-ups also quote this fake Microsoft support number +1 844 204 5326. But this is a fake Windows support number. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. You should not trust these deceptive pop-ups. Do not call this fake Windows support number, but simply leave this page. I also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official resource combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start carefully researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.